Shwmae! Croeso I Learn Welsh Cardiff. Are you thinking of learning Welsh but you're unsure of which course to choose? There are lots of different types of courses you can choose from at Learn Welsh Cardiff. Let's take a look at all the options available to you. The first option is to complete half a level in 1 year, which equates to 60 hours of learning spread over the year. These courses are usually 2-hour weekly courses. The option suits those who want to learn at a slow pace, as a leisurely hobby maybe. If you'd like to make progress quickly, we would certainly recommend a quicker paced course. After all, our courses are all the same price, so why not? The next option is to do a whole level in 1 year, which equates to 120 hours of learning over the year. There are a few ways you could do this. The first option is a blended learning course. These courses combine tutor-led learning in a classroom or virtual classroom with online self-study units. This means that 75% of the course is tutor-led, and you can complete the other 25% of the course in your own time using excellent online resources. The second option is that you still complete a full level in 1 year, but instead of the online work, it's all classroom or virtual classroom based. Many people prefer this option as they get to interact with other learners and their tutors more often, but the choice is yours. You can also go one step further and complete a level and a half of Welsh in a year. Another option available to you is to attend one of our intensive Welsh courses, which are classes you attend 3 or 4 times a week. These courses allow you to complete 2 levels of Welsh or even 2.5 levels of Welsh in 1 year. So you could go from being a complete beginner to a pretty confident speaker within a year. These are definitely worth thinking about. Can you imagine how much Welsh you'll learn in just 1 year? One thing we would advise though is, whilst considering these courses, it's really important to remember that attending as many classes as possible is a must. This is to ensure you get the most out of the course and to enable you to become a confident Welsh speaker. So, if you know you have enough time to attend a class 4 times a week and would really like to commit to learning the language, then go for it. We also have a very dedicated team of tutors who will support you every step of the way. Now that you know what type of courses are available, it's worth knowing that we offer courses from 8 a.m. up until 9 p.m. at night to try and cater for all. If you're unsure of your level, we have a range of short videos which will show you what we teach on every level. You're also very welcome to contact us and we can arrange a level assessment with one of our experienced tutors. It's important to know that if you feel that the pace of your course is too fast or even too slow, or you think it would suit you better to learn at a different time of day, you're very welcome to transfer to a different course. Just give us a call or email us and our team can advise you on a course that suits you better. Why not take a look at our website, learnwelsh.cymru/Cardiff-University to find a course that suits you. If you have any questions at all, our team will be more than happy to help. Just give us a call on 02920 874 710 or email info@learnwelsh.co.uk. Hwyl am y tro!